friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Satya SNM and I am your friend Suman. I hope you all are doing good. Be safe at home. So as you have seen in this thumbnail, today video is going to be about snake plant propagation. How to propagate snake plant at home from cutting. If you are new to my channel and not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss any updates from my channel. Okay, before getting into the video, today is World's Environment Day, so I request you to at least plant one plant and save our nature. Okay, without further delay, let's get into the video. So in this video, you will seeing me stealing some snake plants from somebody's backyard. Yeah, you heard it right. See, snake plants come so costly. When I just checked in Amazon, Ugao and other websites for this planting, I found that they cost around 300 rupees. So I just don't want to spend my 300 rupees on that. So I found an area where I can get free snake plants. So you will seeing me stealing some of the plants from there. Okay, let's get into the video. See on the screen, I am on the roadside where I can find my free plants. I don't need to spend 300 rupees. I am very much happy about it. And I have just some questions with my cousins. I am talking to her, and you can see here, you can find free snake plants there. Make sure that you cut it from top. I have cut 3 plants leaves, and this is more than enough for me. I am so much happy of that, and have just put it in my plastic cover and good to go home. And at home I go and I will be planting it. So happy that I got 3 plants. Now I am at home. You can see I have bought these plants at home. Now we are going to cut them so that we can generate more snake plants from these cuttings. These snake plants are wild snake plants which are mainly found in the forest area where the climate is so dry. They don't get much water, still they survive. While you are cutting, make sure that you cut it properly. Make sure you have a marking on it, and the bottom side you need to plant in the soil. So you can just cut it along this length. It is more than enough. Now the other also I will be cutting in the same way. You can cut it along 5 to 7 centimeters length. That is much enough. The snake plant goes well indoor as well as outdoor. They are good air purifier. You can plant these plants as indoor also. While cutting, make sure that you are cutting at some lengths. Don't make it so short. You can see at what length I am cutting. The same length you can cut so that you can get many of the plants from that. Now I am taking the next leaf and I am going to do it in the same way. The snake plants are low maintenance plants. You can just use the garden soil to grow this plant. You don't need of any compost or coco-peat or anything or manure or anything. They will grow well in garden soil. While watering this plant, you should make sure that you do not overwater. When you overwater the plant, the roots become soggy and they will decay from the bottom. As you can see, I have cut all my leaves and I have potted it in this pot. I have just used the garden soil for that. I have not used any coco peat at all. Now I need to wait 40 to 45 days so that I can see roots growing from the bottom. Let's wait for that. Now I am going to place this pot in a sunlight area so that it gets enough sunlight, and I will water it not regularly. Now it's after 45 days. I have taken the same plant, you can see. Now today is the day that I am going to check whether the roots are formed or not. Finger crossed. I have not checked it earlier at all. I am going to check it today. So now let's take one by one of the cuttings and let's see whether our experiment was success or failure. Okay, I am taking the first, and you can see this has produced some roots. I'm quite happy with the result. It's not big roots, still we have got some roots. Now let me check for the next one. I am taking the next one. Okay, here also I have got roots in the plant, as you can see. It's been 45 days and you can see the leaves have started rooting from inside. You can see this, I have got only some roots, not much. I'm not satisfied with this leaf. Let me check for the next. See, wow, here the roots are so grown well. Look at this, guys. Just look at it. The roots are so grown and grown well. I think I can get some plants from this cutting. Now keep it aside. Let me check for the next. I'm pulling it up. Here I have got only small roots, as you can see. Not much satisfied with this cutting. Let me check for the next one. This is the small cutting, and you can see that the size of the cutting and the root depends. If the size of the cutting is small, the roots are not much big, and you can see this how beautiful the roots are grown. So happy for this result. You can see how beautifully the roots are grown. Almost all the leaves, the roots have been grown. Now I am going to check for this cutting. Here also I can see some roots grown, white roots grown here. Now I will keep it aside and then I will check for the next cutting. Next I am going to pull this one. It's so tight from the bottom. Yeah, you can find here also good beautiful roots. This way it's easy to propagate snake plant. And now you check for this. Here you can find big roots, well formed roots. It has taken long days to propagate, so when you are propagating snake plant you must have patience because it takes long days. Now I'm checking for this leaf. Yeah, the roots are so good, the roots are grown very good. Now I'm going to check for the final cutting. Let me check. Here I'm not much satisfied because they have produced only small roots. Okay guys, these were some of the results of my cuttings. I hope I get some plants from them because most of the cuttings they have produced good roots, so that it's small pups from these roots. These are the final results of my snake plant propagation journey. You can see how beautiful these roots are. I have not used any manure, compost or any coco pit. Still you can see how beautiful these roots are from a single plant cutting. In this way you can grow roots. I found that the upper layer of the leaf has produced less roots than the other cuttings. The upper part of the leaf it produced much smaller roots, and I don't think that they will produce good plant from them. And now I'm going to repot the leaves again so that we'll see in how much days will we get new plants, new snake plants from them. I'm going to repot it again. The roots to develop it took nearly 40 days, and I don't have really idea when my snake plants will grow. I have just repotted them again. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video and you think it was interesting, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Meet you again in another video.